Hey Lucy, what happened? For the last few days, I am not seeing you. Is everything okay?
Yes, Roman. I am fine, just not feeling good, that's it.
I don't believe this. Because last week we attained a big party and our friends came to this party except you. Could you please tell me the exact reason? As I know, you love parties and you never miss any party, right?
Yes, that's true. I was busy a little bit in the last week.
Really? Are you hiding something? We know each other, so there is no need for you to lie.
I wish I could get back to my job again. I know it's not possible.
What? Are you serious? You lost your job. I mean, how and why? I can't understand anything. Could you please explain me?
Actually, I was absent for 2 days in the office because of my illness. On the last day, I went to the office and I saw someone working in my position.
Oh, my God. What was the reason? You didn't talk to your boss?
Yes, I talked with my boss and he told me that I was absent. He told me that he got a better employee than me.
How bad is your boss? I don't think this is fair and he shouldn't do this.
Despite I had a good relationship with my boss, he has fired me from this job.
I got your point. But at least you could request him to not fire you from this job. I know how hard-working person you are. Doesn't he know this?
He knows everything about me and my work quality. I could manage everything very well in the office.
Then, why he has taken this decision? I can't understand anything. I feel there could be other reasons behind this.
Yes, I also heard about this. Now I feel this is true after talking with you.
Sorry? What do you mean? And what did you hear?
I heard it from a friend at the office. The girl who got my position, she was a relative of my boss. Initially, I couldn't believe this, but now I can understand.
I was thinking like this. How could he do this? It is totally corruption. You were a deserving person for that job and he gave this job to a non-deserving person.
I requested him a lot, but he didn't listen to anything. I told him about my family's condition. He could give me another position, but he didn't do this.
Yes, I know about your family's condition. You are the only person who is earning money for your family, right?
Yes, you are right. My mother's health is also not well. How will I manage these things? I don't know.
I can feel your pain. What happened to your mother? Anything serious?
Yes, my mother is a heart patient, and I don't want to give her any stress. This is why I didn't tell her that I have lost my job.
So sad. You could tell me about this. How is she now?
I wanted to tell you. Every time I used to forget this.
So, what will you do now? What's going on in your mind?
I don't know what I will do. I am just worried about my mother.
You could try for a new job. Don't waste your time just thinking. You have the skill and you have experience also, so it will not be difficult to get a new job.
Yes, there is no other option and I will start looking for a new job. But I am worried getting a new job is not easy nowadays.
I hope you will get a good job very soon. Just keep trying.
But these days, corruption is everywhere, in fact, in every sector. Dishonesty, nepotism, and favoritism are also responsible for corruption. Corruption is not a new phenomenon.
Yes, this is also true. I can't deny it. But it is not in our hands. We can't control this.
What are you doing these days? How is going your work and everything?
Yes, going well. I will quit the job very soon. I want to start a business.
Really? But your job is good and you are getting a good amount of salary, right?
Yes, but I am not satisfied, although the salary is good. I want to create a platform so that I can give jobs to people.
Why are you suddenly thinking of starting a business?
Initially, I was not interested in business, but with time I have learned a lot of things about business.
That's nice. What type of business do you want to do? You could have started it earlier.
Well, I know how to build a website functionally, and I also know how to do marketing, so I decided to sell products online.
Oh, nice. How did you learn marketing and how did gain knowledge about product selling?
Well, I did a course online and I have learned about marketing. I need a team of almost 5 to 10 people I need.
Oh, you can't handle it alone. I mean, what type of work is there?
It's not possible to handle alone because there are so many works like product selling and marketing, also website management.
Oh, I got it now. I have a question. What type of products do you want to sell?
Well, I want to sell products online, and the product could be anything like electronics products or cosmetics.
Brilliant. I never thought about this business before. I don't know when will I get a new job.
Don't worry. Until you get your new job, you can work with my team. I already have made a team. If you want, you can join us.
So sweet of you, but I want to try for a job. If I don't get a job, then I will join, okay?
No problem. It's up to you. You can join whenever you want. I feel you could join us for now. It's okay.
Well, I will think about it more, but thank you for your support.
It's my pleasure.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.